ChatGPT just got a major upgrade, and it's changing how people work. ChatGPT Agent Mode isn't just answering questions, it's taking action. It can search the web, pull live data, summarize results, and even chain tasks together. But what does that actually look like? And how can it save you hours every week? Today, we're doing a full walkthrough so you can see exactly what's possible. Hi, I'm Joey from Sage AI Solutions. I help business owners and creators save time and money by using AI strategically without getting lost in tech overwhelm. Today, we're breaking down ChatGPT's Agent Mode, what it is, how it works, and where it fits in your business. Think of Agent Mode as ChatGPT with superpowers. Instead of just giving you answers, Agent Mode can search the web and retrieve live information, compare and summarize data, run step-by-step tasks automatically, even create files or spreadsheets as output. Important. Agent Mode is a paid feature. You'll need ChatGPT Plus, which is around $20 a month, to access it. If you're on the free plan, you won't see this option yet. Let's see it in action. I'll ask Agent Mode, find me the top 3 boutique hotels in Santa Fe, New Mexico, under $300 a night, and put them in a table with links. It's doing the legwork for me and giving me something I can use immediately. Here's another example. Find 3 competing AI agencies, list their websites, and summarize the services they offer. This is gold for market research, launch planning, or just seeing where your business fits in a space. Here are some ways business owners are already using Agent Mode. Lead research. Build quick profiles before sales calls. Content planning. Gather trending topics and common questions for blogs or social media. Vendor comparison. Compare software pricing, features, or reviews side by side. Report generation. Summarize industry news for weekly team updates. All of these are tasks that normally eat hours. Agent Mode gets them done in minutes. Quick question. What's one research or comparison task you'd love AI to handle for you? Tell me in the comments. I might even try it in a future demo. ChatGPT Agent Mode is powerful, but there are a few limits to keep in mind. It doesn't stay running in the background. You still have to prompt it. Agent Mode doesn't permanently remember what you've done unless you manually reprompt it each time. It's powerful, but not the same as a custom assistant. It remembers your processes automatically, and it won't replace a fully custom assistant if you need something always on or branded. Still, for live research and decision support, it's one of the most useful AI upgrades. If you notice yourself doing the same workflows repeatedly, or you want your team or website visitors to use them without logging into ChatGPT, that's when it's time for a custom solution. That's what I build. Here at Sage AI Solutions, assistants that stay available 24/7, speak in your brand voice, and connect directly to your website or CRM. It's like hiring a team member who never sleeps. So that's your crash course on ChatGPT Agent Mode. If you want me to show you how to connect Agent Mode to Google Sheets or Zapier or other tools, drop a comment and let me know. If you're ready to see what a custom AI assistant could look like for your business, book a free 20-minute clarity call. There's a link in the description below. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you can catch the next video in the series. We're just getting started.